Hi, welcome to another sit and talk video where I just answer your questions. So I have the questions over here, but before we get started, I just want to tell you that I make travel videos like travel vlogs, but also I have started making these very useful videos for you guys जिसमें मैं actually I'm sharing all my tips and tricks and everything that I know that can help you travel more in budget, and also if you want to travel full time, I'm also giving up tips for that. So please subscribe to my channel. The first question is how much do I earn and how. So this is basically मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा पूछते हैं सब लोग कि आप पैसे आपके पास पैसे कहाँ से आते हैं, आप इतना ट्रैवल लगातार कैसे करते हो. तो let me break it down to you guys and I'll be very honest. So as a travel content creator, which is like my job if you might wanna call it, we as content creators we get a lot of collaborations. आपने देखा होगा pages वगैरह पे we sometimes promote a service or a product or we talk about any thing and हम sponsorship का label वगैरह लगाते हैं. तो that is how I get paid सबसे ज़्यादा, because those brands pay us to actually promote their whatever it is campaign or product or a service. So that is the first thing. Second is I have not yet actually started earning through YouTube. मेरा channel monetize हो गया but I have not reached that level कि मेरे पास पैसा आने लगे. But still I get a few collaborations on Instagram, YouTube I mean as well. So I get paid from that. इसके साथ साथ मैं ऑनलाइन काम भी करती हूँ, विच इज़ आई मैनेज सोशल मीडिया हैंडल ऑफ अ ट्रैवल ब्रांड. सो दैट इज़ हाउ आई गेट पेड एंड उनके थ्रू मुझे ट्रैवल करने को भी मिल जाता है एट टाइम्स. सो दैट इज़ दैट. एंड अगर आप लोग पूछो कि मुझे महीने में कितने पैसे मिलते हैं, ऑनेस्टली इट्स नेवर फिक्स्ड. मतलब कि बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि 3-4 महीने तक आई गेट ज़ीरो, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा होता. बट कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि साल मतलब महीने में समटाइम्स आई इवन सेव अप टू 1 lakh rupees. So on an average if I tell, I think around 40-50,000 हो जाता है with the savings and everything. So that's the very clear answer that I can give. But yeah, it has taken like almost 4 years for me to reach here कि अब हाँ मेरे पास पैसे आने लगे हैं. Initially, especially in the starting के 2-3 साल, I did not get anything except I think मेरे महीने का if you actually calculate it would be somewhere around 5 to 8,000. And yeah, it takes a lot of time. Like if you want to earn just through content creation everything, you actually have to make your own brand and reach and just grow, keep growing on Instagram, engagement बढ़ाओ. There are a lot of things that if you guys are interested, I will definitely make a video on that. How do you decide to take traveling a full-time job? I mean, how did you come to the final decision? ऑनेस्टली ये कोई फाइनल डिसीजन नहीं था. इट जस्ट स्टार्टेड स्टेप बाय स्टेप, वो बढ़ता गया. लाइक आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल अलॉट इन कॉलेज. मुझे बचपन से ही काफ़ी ज़्यादा कीननेस थी कि हाँ आई वांट टू ट्रैवल, आई वांट टू सी द वर्ल्ड. बट व्हेन आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग एंड देन थिंग्स हैपेंड, आई लेफ्ट माई ओल्ड कॉलेज. देन आई टुक मतलब मेरा जब ये आया ना कि मुझे अब एडमिशन लेना है एंड I wanted to take admission into something that I really was interested in studying this time. So I took the travel tourism. I did BBA in travel and tourism. And that's when I thought कि जब पढ़ाई बेस में हो रही है, let's make this actually your work, your career, so that I get to travel as much as I can. How do you manage your health and sleep during hectic back-to-back trips? Honestly, I think my schedule is better when I'm traveling than when I'm at home. हेल्थ का आई वुड से कि हाँ मेरे ऊपर थोड़ा हेक्टिक हो जाता है, बिकॉज आई एम अ पर्सन हु गेट सिक वेरी मतलब काफ़ी जल्दी. उतना मेरे अंदर इम्यूनिटी और स्टैमिना नहीं है जितना मेरे अंदर होना चाहिए, बिकॉज माई वर्क रिक्वायर्स इट. बट आई थिंक जब मैं ट्रैवल कर रही होती हूँ तो मेरी बॉडी थक भी जाती है दिन भर में, तो मैं रात में मेरा स्लीप स्केड्यूल तो काफ़ी सही चलता है. बट हाँ, फूड एंड ऑल का थोड़ा सा हेल्थ पे असर पड़ता है, बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम ट्रैवलिंग आई कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि मुझे हर जगह बहुत हेल्दी खाना मिलेगा. समटाइम्स इट्स वेरी ऑयली, समटाइम्स इट्स समथिंग दैट आई जस्ट कांट ईट दैट मच. सो आई ट्राई, लाइक मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि मैं हमेशा करती हूँ, बट आई डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू जब भी मैं किसी जगह पे जाऊँ तो आई गो आउट शॉपिंग, उसमें से थोड़ा फ्रूट्स और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें which are healthy and very easy to make कि मैं breakfast में या कहीं भी खा सकती हूँ. While traveling you meet different kinds of people. How do you feel meeting new people? I love meeting people honestly, but when you're traveling you don't only meet the good kinds, you also meet some people who you just don't vibe with. So I just go with my vibe कि अगर मैं किसी से बात कर रही हूँ, if I just smile at them and they smile back and we start talking. If I get the vibe कि person is humble and just matches my vibe, कितनी बार vibe बोलूँगी पता नहीं, but yeah. What's your age? I'm 23 right now. I'll be turning 24 next month. 9th April, by the way, if you want to know my birthday. How you are traveling, earning at the same time, and give any traveling tips for female beginners. I would say not just for female, for everyone. If you really want to make traveling your career, I would say you have to keep this thing very clear कि आपको travel करने के लिए सिर्फ कोई पैसे उतना नहीं देता है starting में, in fact. But when you're just starting out, just find some work that you can go work, do on the go, like work from home, कोई freelance काम, या फिर any work that you can do while traveling and that work doesn't requires you to be at a particular place. और सेकेंड चीज़ क्या कर सकते हो कि all of us have these places in mind जहाँ जहाँ हम जाना चाहते हैं. So you can find some work there, you can intern there, you can find some volunteering jobs there at that particular location, and you can actually go and work there for a month or two, and उसमें बीच में time निकाल के you can explore that place around, and then you can move to the next city. So there is this very interesting question: how did you become an army? Now with army, if you guys don't know, army का मतलब यहाँ पे BTS army है, which I am. So as you guys might know, if you follow me on Instagram or even on YouTube, I'm a huge K-pop fan. And मतलब कि it was back in class 11th, I think 11th या 12th में I was just scrolling through YouTube and BTS का एक गाना मेरे स्क्रीन पे पॉप किया. मैंने सुना, I was not that interested, मैंने उसको हटा दिया. But after a few months I went to my cousin's place and उसने मुझे वहाँ पे बैठा के गाना सुनाया and I recall किया ये तो वही गाना है and I really liked it. तो फिर उसने मुझे प्लेलिस्ट वगैरह शेयर करी. I started listening to them and I binge watched all of their जो भी उनके videos थे behind the scenes, and that just I felt so connected because they are so real. The songs are so motivating. मुझे याद है that time that I discovered all of this. I was like initially मैं BTS में आई थी. They have helped a lot in motivating people, helping them to love themselves. Their speeches, their songs, even their shows. It's just amazing, man. Honestly, if you're struggling through anxiety or any of that stuff, you are insecure about yourself, I think you should definitely listen to the songs. Obviously, Korean नहीं समझ में आएगी तुम्हें, तो with the captions, just go through it and you will definitely feel much better. Someone is asking how to start traveling alone or in a group. I think when you are just starting out, I think traveling in a group but alone is a very, very great option. So by this I mean that there are a lot of travel companies that take you on trips and उसमें you will be going solo. मतलब आप उसमें से किसी को नहीं जान रहे हो, you are going all alone, अपनी जिम्मेदारी खुद उठा के. But when you go there, you meet different kinds of people, you learn so much about life in general. It's easier because सब कुछ ये जो भी travel company या जो भी organizers होते हैं, ये सब कुछ आपको arrange करके देंगे. So you don't even have to go all through that कि book करो, कहाँ book करना है, कैसे book करना है, कैसे पहुँचना है. तो एक वो मतलब plus point भी होता है initially when you're starting out. But later when you get used to it, आपको खुद समझ में आ जाएगा कि अच्छा इस हॉस्टल में बुक कर लेते हैं, इतने बजे बस पहुंचेगी. You will be able to arrange everything properly. And if you guys want to know how to actually how I actually plan for my trips, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely make a video on that. How did your family reacted to this decision? Well, reaction जो था उन्हें लग रहा था कि बस थोड़े दिन का मेरा शौक है. And I remember my father telling me कि मतलब अभी तो young हो, अभी कर लोगे, but 2-3 साल बाद when you reach that time कि तुम्हें weakness हो जाएगी, you won't be you won't want to travel or मतलब all that sorts of things कि ये नशा travel का उतर जाएगा and stuff. So it was like that, but eventually when they realized कि नहीं, I am actually very passionate about doing this. So starting में decision मतलब reaction थोड़ा सा था, थोड़ा नहीं काफ़ी मतलब ऐसा था, but अभी it's really nice. They are supportive and yeah. I was just scuba diving underwater. Oh god, that was such an epic experience. मतलब I am so hydrophobic. I did not even used to go near rivers. मतलब river के ऊपर जो bridges होते हैं उसमें से मैं चल के जाती थी और मेरी हालत खराब होती थी. But this time hats off to Preeti who मतलब इतना उसने मुझे push किया कि नहीं, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. So I could do it. मतलब वो experience was legit. मैं क्या बोलूँ, I don't have words for that. It was amazing. So I believe all of you guys should do it at least once, even if you are hydrophobic. If I can, you definitely can. What are the gadgets you need at the starting? See, तुम ये किसी से भी पूछोगे, everyone is gonna मतलब हर इंसान यही बोलेगा कि you can start with your phone. किसी भी चीज़ से start कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, which is true. विच इज़ वेरी वेरी ट्रू. यू वोंट बिलीव कि इनफैक्ट यूट्यूब के स्टार्टिंग में आई थिंक तुमने मेरे जो भी हिमाचल के व्लॉग्स या जो भी स्टार्टिंग के 1-1.5 साल के वीडियोस देखे हैं, दे आर ऑल शॉट ऑन फोन, और कोई महंगे फ़ोन पे नहीं, MI के फ़ोन पे शूट हुआ है वो. And I think because when you're just starting out YouTube, you don't really know if you actually want to do it long term. Someone is asking a very interesting question जिसका मुझे आंसर तो नहीं पता, but what's the main difference between your content and other travel bloggers? I would say मेरे content में different ये है कि वो content मैं बनाती हूँ, या मतलब all of us, like the creators, we all make, मतलब अगर हम similar content भी बना रहे हैं, that content will be very different because we all have our different personalities. जो मैं हूँ, like nobody else can be Zoha, right? Like they're not gonna copy my personality, or I am not going to be able to copy their personality. I want to know how I can start traveling full time. दिस इज अ वेरी बिग टॉपिक. मैं इसको एक वीडियो के एक छोटे से क्वेश्चन में आंसर नहीं कर सकती हूँ. आई एम मेकिंग दीज guide videos very soon. I have made a few videos, you can check them out here, but there are a lot of questions regarding this, and I really want to help you guys travel full time. So subscribe, notifications on वगैरह सब कुछ कर दो, because starting April you are gonna get guides on how you can actually live the digital nomad life. So stay tuned for that. So this is the last question that I have to take. Where do you see yourself in next 10 years? Honestly, I don't know. I don't see myself in the next 10 years. मतलब मैंने इतना long run का नहीं सोचा हुआ है, but I can say in the next 5 years, I see myself sitting in my own wooden house with, with a nice studio where I can shoot, do my photography stuff, shoot, make videos, and just have this like really huge library in my home, जिसमें मैं बैठ के आराम से I can read books whenever I want. So I think that's the only thing that I have in mind. मतलब अब मैं इतना long term सोच के नहीं चलती हूँ. So I think I answered all of the questions. सारे नहीं कर पाई हूँ, but जो similar थे मैंने वो सारे के सारे आंसर कर दिया. And if you guys have any more questions, please leave a comment down below. I will definitely answer them. So I think I have not told you guys, I'm in Manali for the last 1 month, and I'm going to be here for another 10-15 days maybe. And वहाँ के जो videos हैं वो अभी तक आई नहीं है. So after this video we are going to start with the mountain life videos, and I'm gonna show you around कि मनाली में लाइफ कैसी थी. So you guys know you have to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Link नीचे description में है बहुत सारी. You can go check that out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Friday. Till then, bye.